Proto, your security is my motto. Install me on your computer to protect your data better. With needed no viruses could enter your computer. Malware, spyware, Trojan, all gone forever. I filter your junk mail, monitoring Wi-Fi never fail. I'm Proto, your security is my motto. I keep your data encrypted, your virus security updated. Anti-phishing for safe browsing and safe pay for secure e-shopping. My security acts silently so you can work efficiently. I am Proto, enhanced performance is my motto. I make monitoring at office lot easier. No Facebook, no games, efficiency gets better. I ensure effective people planning. With 20% lesser staff, the company is shining. I'm Proto, preventing data theft is my motto. I prevent data leakage, securing your business and image. No pen drive, no email, no print without permission. No stealing of data, and you work without any tension. I am Proto, preventing data loss is my motto. I reverse data loss, saving you from your angry boss. I recover deleted files, making it sure that you always smile. I'm Proto, protecting laptop theft is my motto. I track your lost laptop to let you work non-stop. I do remote data encryption, saving you from security tension. I am Proto, bringing families closer is my motto. I protect your kids while they surf, as I know that parenting is tough. I like to bring a smile to your faces, making internet surfing relaxing with all work traces. I am Proto, complete security is my motto.